Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be seeing about the rumors about the Huawei Mate 10. Let's get started. The Huawei Mate 10 series is set to arrive on October 16 with three variants, namely the standard Huawei Mate 10, the bezel-free Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and the budget-friendly Huawei Mate 10 Lite. Let's see some specification about this brand. The Huawei Mate 10 has a 5.9-inch diagonal display with an IPS LCD capacitive screen of 16 million colors. It is IP68 certified with dust and waterproof over 1.5 meter and 30 minutes. It has a dual camera 20 megapixel plus 12 with an aperture of 1.6 and has a dual LED flash. It records 4K video at 30 frames per second and HD videos at 30 or either 60 frames per second. The front camera is 8 megapixel. This phone is said to have fast charging with a battery life of non-removable lithium polyethylene 4000 mAh battery. The OS uses its latest Android version Oreo with an octa-core processor of 2.4 GHz of a Cortex A73 chip. An internal memory of 64 or 128 GB and a micro-card slot which can be expanded up to 256 GB. This information may not be accurate when the phone arrives, but we'll see how it turns up and our predictions. More update about this phone will feature in the next video. Stay tuned and goodbye.